Samsung has launched their flagship Galaxy S21. With breathtaking designs and a classy outlook for their latest smartphone. With a sleek design, this new model is worth having. Experts at socialtomatoes.com have elaborated a detailed insight into the new Samsung Galaxy model for you. Hop on and let's see into the details. 1. Samsung Galaxy S21 is the newest hit in the market. Being the flagship of Samsung, this has more to offer than just being a smartphone. 2. With their specifications and over-the-turn added qualities, Samsung Galaxy S21 is a must-have for all the tech enthusiasts who want to have the latest and updated gadgets. 3. This new smartphone with an elegant design and an excellent screen with high resolution makes sure your videos are worth watching. 4. The processor that is the heart of this phone is a strong octa-core that enhances the functionality and makes sure you enjoy using your phone with higher speed and effective consumption. 5 cameras ensures every aspect of capturing images and creating memories. Don't forget the long-lasting battery with longer standby time and effective usage. The new Samsung Galaxy S21 with a bundle of features and added qualities is worth having and worth the price. For a more detailed and insightful analysis and possible alternatives, visit socialtomatoes.com and subscribe for the latest and freshly brewed technological reviews.